Kenya and Thailand will sign a number of deals to ease investment sectors.
Has been keen on developing its automobile industry and positioning the country as the regional hub for motor vehicle assembly. To actualize, the national automotive policy has been developed to guide the industry. Thailand investors are the latest investors seeking to set up automotive spare parts subsidiaries in Kenya through partnerships with local automotive companies.
We are exploring today of some other sectors like medical sector and also automotive.
At manufacturing local components of automotives.
Green Africa Group CEO Isaac Alua says cooperation in the automotive industry will reduce Kenya's import bill for motor vehicles, spare parts and automotive components.
Bringing down or narrowing the trade imbalance between our countries, even as we create opportunities for our people.
I think we should work even more closer and get to know each other, not only at the governmental level, but it also at the private sector levels and people's group to connection.
The two countries are expected to also sign memorandums on sectors such as agriculture equipment manufacturing and cooperation in the health and hospitality sector.
We are discussing other areas including education and health where we have put in our businesses that we can get to grow.
Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.